Isang Filipina. Today we're going to unbox. So I have these boxes. I have this shopping from SHEIN. So this is shoes and also my outfit to wear for my vlog and custom video. So unbox with me. This dress, and I have to take this all first. My dress. So this is 150 USD. $150 with the shoes. And I always go to SHEIN because it's cheaper, and the problem for SHEIN, it's polyester, the dress, but it's good for just the vlog. So okay, I have these shoes. It's already smashed. It's like it's already crushed, squeezed. So I have 3 of these boxes, but I only got 2. Oh my gosh! Wait. I ordered 3 items and the other one without box. So okay, first is we're going to open this. Let's make it quick. I'm just put the garbage aside, and of course, oh my gosh, it's damaged. It was banned by the delivery. It's too bad. But I like the color, and it's very noisy outside because there's a construction in the highway. So look, it's smashed, but I'm gonna try on this one. So let's remove the chair so you can see how it looks like. This one is good, but only the other one. It's purple and it's matching my dress. And I have my red nails, 2 nails today. So okay, next is it's quite high. I love this one. I'm glad it's not damaged, but the heels is like 7-inch. It's really high. So I'm gonna put it here. Okay, next is aside first the outfit, and then I'm going to take this off. Try this one. Chunky house. It's a chunky house. Well, it was good. It's not painful in my feet, and then the only thing is the noise outside. Just enjoy watching. Then I have to unbox my outfit. This is just the blouse. Yeah, and you can see it in my vlog. I'm gonna wear it. Please do not disturb. So my pants. Yellow dress. It's just another pants for me. I really need pants here because when I go out, I really need to rock because it's mountain, so I already have to wear pants. And in the city it's also very warm there, and well, it's different here. Unlike in a big city, then you really need like 60 dress, 60 outfit. But in my place now, they just do rugged outfit. So this one, it's just my daily outfit when I go out. So I hope you enjoy our unboxing video, and let's continue unboxing with what I shop at SM Mall. So be right back. Of the unboxing video. So now we're done with the first part, and today this is all shoes from Parisan, but this is not a sponsored video, so I'm gonna show you quickly